Hello, beautiful and amazing pathfinders. It's your girl here again, Frida. Fam, without wasting much time, don't worry, I'm going to say welcome to every one of you. Let's dive right into my kitchen to make this awesome drink, all right? That will make you to glow and live longer, all right? Let's dive right into it. Thank you. Hello, beautiful and amazing pathfinders. It's Frida here again, and I welcome you all to today's video, fam. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. I hope you're staying safe and healthy out there. Yeah, today's video is actually all about detox drink, okay? I've already made one for myself this morning. I said, no, why don't I take my pathfinders along? Yeah, so this powerful drink you're seeing right here, it is a very good one for you, okay? It helps to fight against diseases. It fights against cardiovascular diseases, which is the heart disease, all right? It helps to fight against infection. It helps your blood to circulate powerfully. It gives you a clearer, a beautiful, a glowy, a younger looking skin, okay? So it helps you, above all, it helps you to live longer. Okay, we always eat without thinking of detox. So try and do this regularly, all right? So for this drink that will help to detoxify your body and help you to live longer and healthier, we are going to be needing pineapple, orange, apple, lemon, ginger, and turmeric. So I just came back from the fruit shop and I decided to make my morning drink. Haven't done that. My mind, said to me, why don't you make something to show to your pathfinders about this? All right. I said, okay, let me come back here to come and do it. And that is the reason why you have this pineapple already parted in half. All right. Your girl has already done hers. But I'm going to be showing you right now. It's not going to be a waste. Okay. I might just be keeping that for hobby. All right, to drink later when it comes back. Okay, and feel free to make this drink for the week and keep it in your fridge. It's not going to go bad at all. Okay, as you all know, we are going to be using pineapple. Pineapple is packed with nutrients. It helps to fight against infections and diseases. It helps to control your weight. It reduces the risk of cancer. It gives you a very younger and beautiful skin, all right? So consider consuming pineapple frequently if you want to have that glowy skin, okay? And we are going to be adding lemon. Lemon is packed with vitamin C. It is a very good one for you. It helps to detoxify your body. It gives you a clearer, a younger, and a youthful skin. So the in and out of lemon, it's not a waste at all. So whenever you are shopping for fruits, do not leave out lemon. It is a very good one for you. We are going to be adding apple as well. I believe you all know that an apple a day, all right, keeps the doctor away from you and your household. It is packed with nutrients. It is very rich in vitamin C. It helps to fight against all kinds of diseases as well. So we don't really need to overemphasize on the benefits of all this. But what I'm trying to say is that the combination of all this in this drink that we are going to be making today is going to help to detoxify your body. So finally, these are the ones that I'm going to be using. Feel free to make as much as you want. But for this, I'm going to be using 2 oranges, 2 lemons, 1 apple, turmeric and ginger, and of course pineapple. I'm going to be juicing the lemons, as you can see. Here I've got my apple and pineapple already chopped, and I've got the ginger and the turmeric already chopped as well. So I'm going to be adding the lemon zest as well as the orange zest. So watch me do that. So just add a little, and same thing goes. So having done that, here is our blender, and here is the extracted orange and lemon juice. Pouring it into the blender right now. And here is our turmeric, ginger, apple, and pineapple. Fam, do not joke with this detox drink. It is a very powerful one, honestly. You start seeing yourself feeling so light, so strong, not finding difficulty standing up in the morning or waking up to do things. And now we are going to be blending. It's as simple as A, B, and C, fam. Our detox drink is ready. So, why won't you make one for yourself? Haven't digested the benefits of this powerful drink? Thank you all so much for watching, and I'm going to be seeing you in my next one. Please do share and subscribe if you haven't. Like this video, please, if you haven't. And God bless you all. Bye-bye.